Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video. I'm super excited for this one, and if you like it then please subscribe and ring the bell. And as you can see, I've already started with my makeup. I used a moisturizer and now I'm pressing the primer into my skin. I use the next one, and this is the Elegant foundation, which is really good. This is great for a dry skin person. And first I like to spread the foundation all over my face with a flat brush, and then I like to buff it with a puffing brush, and the puffing brush is from Real Techniques, I think. So yeah, I'm just blending out the foundation really nicely. And then I like to use a sponge to get rid of any excess product, or to have any brush streaks. Then I'm using this contour stick. It's a really nice and it's really budget friendly, and blending out with the same foundation brush. And this is my favorite concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm just concealing and highlighting my face at the same time. It's not a very heavy base. If you see, I haven't used any color correction because I don't mind if any of my imperfections peeks through. And I'm blending the concealer with the same sponge, and I'm just going to put some of the concealer which was on my sponge on my eyelids to cover up the lids. Then I'm going to set my under eyes with the same sponge. Yes, I don't use a lot of tools when I do a very quick makeup look. And now to bring back some color onto my face, I'm using this L'Oreal bronzer. I recently got it, and it is really beautiful on the skin. And now I'm just sharpening that bronzer because I felt that it came a little down. And now my favorite part, blush. I am obsessed with applying blush, and sometimes I overdo it as well. Now I'm just going to remove the excess powder from all of my face and do this highlighter. This is amazing highlighter. By the way, all the information about the products will be in the description box, so do not worry about it. Then to my brows, I used a powder product. It is by Benefit. It comes with like dual product, like a one side powder and wax. And yeah, now I'm on to my eyes. This is one of my favorite palettes. This is by Colourpop, and I'm doing a very basic, you can say, daytime look. Yeah, it's just 2-3 colors, and it's all about blending, so you need to blend the heck out of it. So I just used 2 matte colors all over my eyes, and now I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer to the center of my eyes and onto the mascara. That's it. It's a very simple look. You see the difference. And just putting on a lipper. This is one of my faves nowadays. This is by L'Oreal. The information again will be in the description box. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it, and if you do so, then please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time.